एक्सफोलिएशन था।
हम ही ऐसे छोड़ो.
So how to use it?
मेरा बैग किधर है?
आप relax कर सकते हो पैरों को.
You want to think about it?
नहीं, she can do it.
So thank you so much, Dr. Shruti, for being with us here, taking out time from your busy schedule. So few days back, I was out somewhere and I met some Korean expats. Their skin was amazing. I mean, I've rarely seen such porcelain-like skin. Then I did a bit of research. So I realized there's this thing called glass skin, Korean glass skin. So I wanted to know more about it. I think you're the best person to tell me about it.
So yes, the glass skin, it's the latest trend that we follow these days, and you can easily achieve it by following a certain regime. Okay, so there are a few steps involved in maintaining your skin and giving it. So what is basically a glass skin? It's a very intensely hydrated skin, which looks very supple, which looks very radiant. So in your CTM regime, you can follow certain steps and you can definitely have a glassy skin. The first essential step is the cleansing process. Now this cleansing process has two steps. So initially we use an oil based cleanser, and this has to be followed by a very gentle foam based cleanser. And the second step is the exfoliation. So exfoliation, as you know, to remove the dead skin, to remove the blackheads and all. And then the third step is application of a toner to maintain the pH of the skin.
So another question that comes to my mind, is there a right or a wrong way of applying these products?
Definitely there is a right way to apply the products. See, most of the time the mistake that we do is we take the product on the palm and we just massage it on the hand and we apply it on the face. So the efficacy of the product gets hampered because of the heat of the palm, the friction that we are putting on the product. So ideally, we should take the product with the help of a spatula, just apply it in multiple dots on the face and very gently merge and massage it into the facial skin.
So that's amazing. So now I have cleaned my skin, I have exfoliated my skin and I have applied the toner. Now what?
The preparation of the skin has been done, and now comes the moisturization or the hydration step. Now this adding hydration to the skin has 3 steps. So first of all, we'll use a water-based essence. This is followed by use of a facial oil. And this facial oil you can choose depending on the skin type. You can use ingredients like hyaluronic acid to supple up your skin. And finally, the application of a bland moisturizer.
So Doc, thank you so much. It was so beautifully explained. So apart from all this, anything else that is there, because I'm really bent upon मुझे वैसी skin चाहिए. I mean, I was so impressed with that skin. So anything else that you want to add to this?
See, when you ask me about anything else, it's something that we all know. You need to balance your diet. You need to focus on the exercise, the workout. Even walking helps a lot, It's not like that you always have to go to the gym to maintain your health. And obviously, taking your fluids, the right diet has to be followed. The seasonal fruits have to be taken, the vegetables. And I think we should start all these practices from the childhood itself. And just to sum it up, it's the inner peace, which is lacking in all of us today, all of us. So just try to focus and find that inner peace. There are so many things that we can do. We have Ayurveda, we have wellness procedures and wellness services which help you to calm your body, calm your mind. So I think these are really important in today's stressful life.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shruti. So that was Dr. Shruti, and there was such a wonderful heart-to-heart conversation, especially the last bit. So I'm really bent upon, now I'm going to go and get that Korean skin, that glass-like skin. And no, there's always scope for improvement. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking out. Yeah, it was my pleasure. I got so much knowledge today. Thank you so much.